For NetApp ONTAP File System Analytics, log into System Manager. And for the demo purpose, let us create a flex group volume, some specific size. And if you look at the distribute volume data across the cluster, that means that is a flex group volume. Once the volume is created, for the demo purpose, we need to load some data. At present stage, this volume does not have any data. So mount that volume using this NFS exported IP, NFS leaf IP, and load some data. So now we loaded some data into this. So let us enable file system analytics. Once we enable that, we can view the directories under the particular volume in a different tree structure. Here we can see all the volumes by default in ascending order, and then you can click the modify history and access history column to sort it out as per modified history. And then here, when you click the used column, you can view the directories folder in a descending order here. By default, it's ascending order. So here, the SQL folder subdirectories are visible in a descending order. When you select the particular folder and then you click the graphical view, then we are getting into the graphical view directly, and then each folder size based on the actual volume of the size in the graphical view. You can also view that respective subfolders and size of the folder when you move the cursor on top of that folder. You can also view the respective folders files in the files view. There is an option to enable access time to view the access time of those files. So when you touch the particular file, it will display the date and time of that file. When you select a particular folder, you can also view the respective list view for that particular folder, and then the respective summary of the folder also you can view in the bottom pane. So for the demo purpose, I am selecting the volume root folder. The root folder has three types of data: active, normal, inactive data. So active is the less than 1 week data. Normal is 1 week to 1 year data. You can also view the number of directories, files, and histogram. In ONTAP File System Analytics, API calls you can view through this button, and then it provides how the system manager communicate with ONTAP File System Analytics. So this is the API call we used for the communication with ONTAP File System Analytics. Just an example. Okay, so now if you want to do ONTAP File System Analytics REST API calls, you can call this URL, and then we are also providing the documentation how to getting started. And for the demo purpose, I am just going to call on particular API to find the total number of files in a folder. So here we are calling this API. For directly communicate with the storage controller, please provide the credential. So now the volume need a UUID value. So for that value, So we are going back to System Manager to get the volume UUID value. So for this volume, this is the, for FSA FG test, the highlighted section is the UUID. Just I copied in the clipboard and then pasted here. And then path is the location where you want to find the file count. So now I am mentioning the root volume. So root folder. Here you need to specify the field. This is what the API call you need to mention for analytics specific. I am calling analytics.fileCount API. And then order by. You can mention either ascending or descending. By default is ascending order. For the demo, I am calling descending order. File count by descending order. Then click the execute button to see the results. So now the results are visible in the JSON format here, and here total number of file count for that respective folder is visible. You can download the JSON file. Open the file in a specific editor. So I'm just using Notepad. So here I want to go further into the specific folder to find the file count in that particular folder as well as the subfolders. Again, provide the path and execute the API. So here, this particular folder has different subfolders. I want to drill down further into one specific folder. Okay, so in this case, this particular folder has total number of files, and files is visible here. It has totally 2390 files. Total number of files is 26.